Set good like the ice in a freezer. What a gal said good seedum a you mech. Him get back him visa. Vybz Kartel gets his visa and flies to Florida, then headed to California for the Grammys. People say 13 is an unlucky number, but the real truth is 13 is a lucky number. Imagine spending 13 years locked away in prison. Only hope you had of getting out was your strong mindset. And We Going Win is still one of my favorite songs, that Vybz Kartel song. The only thing is the Grammys really did a disservice to Vybz Kartel by inviting him, placing him in the reggae category, and not giving him the Grammy, but giving it to the legendary Bob Marley, who wins it almost every year consecutively.
The nominees are Collie Buddz, Vybz Kartel, Shensia, various artists, The Wailers,
and the Grammy goes to Bob Marley, One Love.
Talk about being snubbed. We know Bob is an icon, but I honestly think that Vybz Kartel deserved that Grammy award. This is why some celebrities boycott the Grammys, because of course they keep up with a lot of Om's house business. Anyways, up on arrival at the Grammys, Kai Cenat gave Addy his flowers. He interviewed Vybz Kartel, and this moment for me was everything.
Somebody,
World boss! Yo! World boss! Mama, you know good, you know my youth!
Respect.
Bro, yo, no, you don't understand. Yo, bro, Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
Let me sit here right in front of you and give you your flowers, bro. Welcome back home, bro. Welcome, bro. I know you're having an amazing time right now.
Of course.
Do you know I literally learned to whine to your songs like this in the backyard party, whine up,
Bob,
bro?
love that.
No cap, bro. I love Jamaica so much, bro.
I know that. You were there the other day.
Yes, bro. We have to go to Jamaica together soon.
Hell yeah.
Bro.
Where's your Asian friend?
Ray?
Yeah.
Ray right now, he want to go to the military.
Oh.
Yeah.
So go with Ray.
Yes, bro. Bro, have a good night, though, bro. I got to keep in contact with you, bro.
Yeah, you should.
Hold on, can I take your number now?
Of course.
Bro.
Magical? A lot of dancehall old favorite are still reeling because of Vybz Kartel's nomination for this Grammy, and honestly, the fans spot the hate from a mile away. Beenie Man has been showing out ever since Addy have returned. It's funny how when he was behind bars, Beenie was doing a lot of Agaza Himse punchlines. And now the man is free. You Run, Gomek diss track.
All I have to say is congratulations to all the nominees. All nominees of the Reggae Grammy Awards. Yeah? But respect to the king of reggae music, Bob Marley. Yes, because he's the greatest of all time and his work cannot be done. Robert Nesta Marley probably gone, but Bob Marley is still alive. One king of reggae, one king of dancehall. Watch out. Yeah.
Everybody sees you are shading Vybz Kartel by bigging up Bob Marley. Since when do you ever big up Bob? And the thing is, Vybz Kartel was so graceful with every disrespectful word Beenie Man outed out his mouth. Here's a couple content creators that catch the shadiness.
Bob Marley won Grammy again. When somebody else going to get a chance who is not a Marley?
Come along now. Yeah, man. Everybody on the panel, we need to come along now. Every year are the same thing. The same damn thing every year. No disrespect to Bob Marley. We not disrespect Bob Marley. We are talking about the unfairness of what's been happening over the years. You know how it feels as an artist. Nights pant upon nights, sleepless nights, days and everything. Where you put in this work, If you say, alright then, you know, you give the fans them something and them thing there. Till they make a compilation of your work with the body of work you do. And then for ear say, alright then, you know say nominated for Grammy. You feel good in yourself say nominated for Grammy. But for no say, you go sign to the Grammy now, you're in a category. You hear Bob Marley in a category. Automatically you feel defeated. Because like you know where to go. It's just automatic. And the Grammy goes to Bob Marley. Where you check a stop now. And the songs where him I don't know. Or songs that people go and put in as compilation. Songs with upon other albums and all them things that when get Grammy for already. Him a come get Grammy for again. That come like there's a remix this thing. You were there in the studio were put in the hard work and all them something, the blood, sweat and tears, headache. Your family all depart from you and all them things just because you do just music here. And then this are the spit in your face, the kick in your face where you get. Come on man, come down now man.
For us to stop letting people gatekeep reggae. Ziggy Marley, you do not own reggae, bro. You and your family do not own reggae, Ziggy. It's time for you to let it go, bro. You're not a ghetto youth, Ziggy. You're not a ghetto youth, blood. You're not from the ghetto, rude boy. You hear me, I say? Your father come from the ghetto. This is what they got that saying that says, hard times create strong men. Strong men create easy times. Easy times create weak men. And then weak men come back and create hard times. You feel what I'm saying? This is the whole thing about Ziggy and them. You're holding on. You're holding down the culture, bro. It's time for you to let go of the culture. Let other people win the Grammys so they can go ahead and become something in life. You and your Ziggy Marley and him friend them need to let go of the Grammy, bro. Done not it. And it's not because Vybz Kartel didn't win it. Okay? Vybz Kartel was not the only candidate, bro. Who else could have win it? Even the year that Chronix didn't win it. Chronix should have won the Grammys. Where is Chronix now? Even Chronix realized that the Grammy was a buyout thing. Let go the Grammy, bro. Ziggy and your family, the Marley them need for let go the Grammy. The Marley them need for go. But Marley don't need for go, brethren. Who allow no go blood?
Bob Marley has been dead for 325 years and just won a Grammy. What can go so? What can go so? And don't get me wrong, I love Bob Marley's music, but I felt like it was a very safe and lazy nominee and win. They need a Jamaican or Caribbean person on the Grammy Reggae Committee, because if they had a Paulette, a Clovis, a Clive, a Marcia, or a Sharon on the Grammy Committee, Bob Marley wouldn't have won. The Grammy would have went to Vybz Kartel or Shenseea. When it comes to dancehall / reggae music, Shenseea probably had one of the biggest songs last year. You think you're gonna get into my feelings? You'll get me hit on run. You'll get me hit on run. That was a really big song last year. This last year, the Bob Marley movie was mid, and nobody's gonna beat my ass. The movie was mid, so how did it win for best soundtrack of the year when the movie was mid as... The donkey of the day goes to the Grammy committee for giving a duppy a Grammy. How y'all gonna give a duppy a Grammy? It should have went to Vybz Kartel or Shenseea. How can a duppy, how can a ghost get a Grammy?
Lisa Hyper's photos gets leaked. Lisa apparently posted this risky video on Instagram on accident. Lisa. Y'all females need to be careful the type of videos and photos you post on your phones, because slip-ups can happen with just a tap. Speaking of Gaza, First Lady Jamaicans got in their feelings when this content creator Yo It's Ram spoke of Jamaica in this degrading way. Apparently, some foreigners believe that since Jamaica is a third world country, our living conditions is below bottom of the barrel. Ram Goat, It's Ram, decided to talk about our country like Jamaica is not used to good living. Here's what he said.
Bro, can someone please tell me why this whole entire time I thought all of Jamaica looked like this? I just literally saw a video of what Jamaica actually looks like. There's no freaking way, bro. There is no freaking way Jamaica looks like this. Let me show you.
So Jamaicans saw the video and started crashing out. Here are some of what was left in his comments. We ain't that bad, we better than your hometown. Lady D said, like Ram, seriously. So you know you offended us, right? Especially those of us who know that what you showed was so far-fetched. Go hide. Hide. They are coming for you, and it's going to be.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
This person said GSYM, and we all know that one never gets old. Go suck your, you know what, I'm not going to repeat it. But if you know, you know. And trust me, he got this particular comment repeatedly if you don't want to upset a Jamaican. Just don't say anything like this or talk badly about our food, because it's like waking up a sleeping beast. Sometimes I wonder if these people think before they talk. Because why would you even say something like this about any country? It's Khandy Kane versus Blam Dem, Dyema, and the Barbs. Khandy gets Nicki fans upset after she says that Nicki Minaj only gifts people who are mixed up and that she doesn't want any gifts from Nicki Minaj. She also dissed Dyema, saying Dyema hate her over King Donya, and it did not end well.
I don't know over man, the only person who hate me over man and Dyema, because I tell you so Dyema did well one Donya.
Khandy, who eat Khandy over man?
I'm taking my shirt.
Bro, I want to dirty London. Khandy bad mind, bro. London, go on, me got done up, me got this. No, man, we are Khandy. See them, man. This so thick. Dyema, I want to bad mind, girl. In the body as well. Girl, Khandy. Khandy, all alone want blood down, and me coulda never want down, and no time, no day. Big madman down. No time at all. What me coulda do it down? Any boy me want me do it for myself. And you alone want down here. Look how long down here still a hide you. Your face in a Khandy. Khandy, you walk and look. Khandy, I buy. Down here. Cause down here, how long I still not blood on you. Everything you going in front, down a turn when face, Khandy. Khandy, a sheep man throw up your head, your little girl. But all the girl bad mind if you man a down here. What me coulda do it that down here? Down here look like Willie. I don't know my man when me ever blood take. You bright no blood. Down here how long no wanna hide you. Down here not even want own you. Khandy, you pay for Wappy a kill Phil and come back and kill Wappy. What me want down here for? Khandy, you alone want blood down here. You alone want. So me I don't know, me no want talk some things, you know. Khandy out there no Khandy look like man done for me. Don't know my Kekla blood. I true don't know do me no want cuss, you know. Khandy out there no blood for the only girl bad mind of the man. Khandy no right it boy. Khandy a blues your act. I wish right it boy Khandy. Khandy the all the I wish right it boy fuck Khandy. So the whole blood Khandy, me coulda grudge of a man, me coulda grudge of a man, Khandy. Wet up crutches, Khandy, no come out me about grudge for man. Khandy, you out there and like you rather hate me. Khandy, you hate me a bad mind me till I run go do body. You hate me a bad mind me a grudge me no cause the all man a give you a beating for your 22-year-old. Khandy, move your blues action, black and go. You out there and a pussy, Khandy, I owe you. Khandy, remember fuck hell. I blues your blood, me coulda hate her for wish donor. Oh, me coulda ate with blood. Khandy right. Can't walk with her yet. Don't up to today, don't have blood on you. Don't have duck you. I alone own down here. Khandy eye. Your face in a clot about 8 feet down here. 8 for which down here? Don't have me catching Gary a pedigree blood clot man. Me talk, me not talk. Go on. Me not have time for this. But that girl out there about the only girl 18 for man a Dyema. Khandy look for me good. Khandy look for me good. Khandy look for me good. Blam them me a cuss me not have time for you right now. You know. Blam them a cuss me. Blam them me a cuss me chat the nice man.
No man, the sister man. Me just want to make it spicy up. No go no man. See man, me just want to spicy.
Khandy, you hate me. Khandy, you hate me for my body. You hate me for all my blood. Look, girl, you walk out here me for nothing at all. Hear me till you go wrong on your body. Remember you cuss me one time and tell me so we have to do body for look good. I know you have to go back to do baby like all this thing. Khandy for me man out of my mother hold me shit like good. Move your little long time. God, Khandy, the fuck your blood. Thank God for TikTok, Khandy. Khandy, move your blues clues, blood. Where your face in our who one down here? You bright no blood. Khandy, are you alone at one down here? Are you alone at one down here? Cause down there the up your kill for your come back, come kill blood. Up up Khandy. And now own you. Thanks, anybody who send me that. Don't can now own you. Don't own you. Everything you go in front, don't face, don't shift you.
Uno go Dyema. Uno go and go give Dyema. Go and go give her. Dyema forget pay.
The drama continues with Khandy calling Dyema, Sam Sharp, and other stuff. But despite what you think of Dyema, she doesn't get this riled up unless provoked. And since she's now related to a national hero, we might have to tell our Prime Minister to change the $50 note and put both Sam Sharp and Dyema on the $50 bill.
I don't want peace. I want problems
Look
always.
out for more drama. But until then, like, share, and subscribe.